Hello, good morning, all of you. This is Prashant. I am here to discuss few topics. And first of all, I want to welcome you all of you in class 11th for your promotion. I really congratulate all of you that you came in class 11th. So, as I think morning, Sachin sir took the session regarding the doubts that what you must take or what you must not take in computer in the field of class 11th. So here, as you can see on the screen, what is the importance of a computer science after 10th? So I am going to break this myth and I'm going to clear your ideas that what is the importance of a computer science. Okay, actually, many of you are thinking that it is a hard subject. I can't take the physical education will give the more marks and so many other things. My dear students, all subjects are equal if you are giving your time. As you are giving your time to maths, as you are giving your time to English, as you are giving your time to other subjects. For means each and every subject requires some time to study. But you people are thinking that one like on the Facebook and some chats on the WhatsApp, you become a computer literate. Sorry, my dear students, you are literate, but not in a particular field. So here, because after 12th or after graduation, you are going to opt as you are going to serve the country in different fields. There you require some knowledge of a software, some knowledge of a particular field. So you have to work on that, because Facebook and WhatsApp is a different thing, and this computer science and computer languages are the different things. You have to understand this thing. If you will give your time, the precious time which is needed by the subject, means if you are giving 1 hour to your maths, 1 hour to your chemistry, 1 hour to your other subjects, so it is a similar as the same as the other subject. You have to give your time. So many of you have this question that why I should take the computer science, what is the importance of this computer science. Did you get this answer? If yes, then opt it. Don't waste your time. Okay. If you know, then I'll help you to understand the concept. So let's see. I want to bring your notice just bottom here. Few names are written here. Can you read out for me? Kisan Rath, Arogya Setu, Flipkart, Amazon, and in your office. Just now, Arogya Setu crossed the 50 plus million downloads. What is the use of Arogya Setu? Find out the answer. And I think you are familiar. Who developed this? Who developed this? A computer programmer, a software developer. You peoples are as similar, the computer programmers are as similar as the other fellows, as the army person going to serve the country on the borders, as the doctors are going to serve the country in COVID-19. You can see the face of doctors. I really salute them. They are doing a lot of work. Similarly, the behind the curtains, those who are giving all the data, those who are collecting all the data, those who are making the apps, those who are working on the computer systems, really they are also the similar hero. The whatever broadcasting, the news channels, whatever they are broadcasting, who is going to broadcast there? The computer fellows. So it's mean all the works can be stopped, but computer works cannot, because if it is stops, you can't see this video also. So why should you work in a technology field? First of all, technology is the pinnacle of research, development, and creative thoughts. Means you are doing the doctor's work, research you are doing, the development you are working as an engineer, and creative thoughts you're working as a teacher also. Technology involves important careers that improve people's life. Arogya Setu is really changing their lives. Kisan Rath If you are not about this about aware about these words, you please find out on the YouTube or the Google. Google will give you the answer what is the Kisan Rath and how it is helping the farmers. So means you all are the part of this thing. You all are improving. Create values, useful solutions to real world problems. We are creating the solutions. This is the artificial intelligence app, Arogya Setu. So by this you come to know that you all means you are not serving the country. You are means you are not on the border. You are not on the computer science fellows are not on the border, not on the this hospitals, not anywhere, but they are everywhere. So think about this. That means they are providing the most of the solutions. No other fields seem to be given you the opportunity. This many opportunity only the computer science field can give you, no other fields. Okay, so the downright encourage to create your new something new. Every day you are creating something new. Okay, so my dear students, my issue is that many of you are taking the computer, many of you are going to off the computer, but after some time, many of you are thinking that we are not able to continue the computer science. The reason, the reason is you are not giving the concern time to the particular subject. You are giving the time to maths, physics, economics, accountancy, but no time for the computer science. With my 9-year teaching experience, I am going to tell these things. You people are giving the time to other subjects, but computer science you are taking lightly. That's why you are not getting the marks. Many of you are facing this problem. But if you, those who are interested, those who want to can develop their, those who want to build their career in the computer science, they are means they are getting the good marks. So it depends on you that how you are thinking about the subject. It have so many criteria, it has so many fields where you can serve. So now please check this data, pause this video and check this data, and your eye should be on this blue area. Compare this blue area with other ones. And this is, my dear students, it is a static data of Bureau of Labor Static USA. Okay, I'm not going to talk you like this only, means I have the proof. You can see this field, this particular field, and you can see the growth in other fields, and compare this field only. And here bottom I had given a link. You can visit this link for this information. I copied down this image from this link only. So you at least you should have a trust on this that it is a genuine data. So my dear students, it's have a good future, it's have a good career. Many people means after the 12th, those who willing to go in the computer field and those who are willing to serve the countries in the computer field, this is the good option, because in 11th and 12th you are learning the basics. Actually, just in my school only, after passing out the 12th, many of the students, many of them of the computer science CS. Here they were the students of physical education and other subjects, but they don't want to learn the computer. After that, they opt the computer science and they become the engineer in computer science. Whenever they are coming to the school or they are coming in our area, so they told us that, sir, I opt the computer science, or sometimes they having the doubts, so they WhatsApp their doubts to me, sir, please find out this, sir, solve this, sir. So really, this is the surprising that after the 12th they are understanding what is the importance of computer science. So it will be the better option for you that just now you opt the computer science and go for it. So now, who can take CS in 11th and 12th? Answer is here. Answer is here. All of you. So opt the computer science. Have you heard about the blog affiliate marketing? Have you heard about these words? No? Please find out these words. Many of you will not complete your 12th and you will become a rich with these two words only if you have the good ideas. So make it sure, my dear students, computer science is a good future for you. Many people are earning or learning with the computer science. I think there is no any other subject which can give you a livelihood after 12th. And I hope this computer science only can give you the livelihood if you have the good knowledge about computer. You become a software developer, you can become a website developer, you become a, if you want to become a hardware developer. So many fields are there, which is calling you. So to polish your knowledge, to check your knowledge, I want to see you in a computer lab. Please check out these two words and find out why it is not working for you. Okay, so I hope that things will be a little bit clear for you. If you have the doubt, write down in the comment section, and whenever we will meet, you can ask me the doubts. So I hope the things will be work for you. Thank you and have a nice day.